Coming to the first problem, solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. So the first pair of linear equations is x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 1, and the second one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Let this be equation number 2. So we are supposed to solve the pair of linear equations by two methods, namely elimination method and the substitution method. So let us first solve it by elimination method. So the equation 1 can be multiplied by 3 on both sides. Multiply 3 for equation number 1. So we'll be getting 3 times of x plus y, this is for left hand side, and 3 times of 5, this is for right hand side. So finally we'll be getting 3x plus 3y is equal to 3 times of 5 is 15. So I name this as third equation. So on adding equation number 2 and 3, we get, so the second equation is 2x minus 3y, this is LHS, which is left hand side, and the left hand side of third equation is 3x plus 3y. On the RHS for equation 2 we have 4, and on the right hand side for equation 3 we have 15. So this becomes 4 plus 15. 2x plus 3x becomes 5x, and minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. So on the RHS we have 4 plus 15, which is nothing but 19. This implies x is equal to 19 by 5. So the value of x is found as 19 divided by 5. Now let us find the value of y by substituting the value of x in equation number 1. So substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1 so as to obtain the value of y. We will be getting 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. That implies y is equal to, so the LCM is 5, and 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 minus 19, which is nothing but 25 minus 19 is 6 by 5. So we have obtained the value of y to be 6 by 5. Therefore the pair of solutions for the given linear equations are x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. Now let us solve the given pair of linear equations by substitution method. So the given equations are x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So the first equation can be written as y is equal to 5 minus x. So let us substitute the value of y, which is y is equal to 5 minus x, in equation number 2. So the second equation becomes 2x minus 3y, means in place of y we can write 5 minus x, which is equal to 4. That is 2x minus 3 times of 5 is 15, and minus 3 multiplied by minus x is plus 3x. And the RHS we have 4. 2x plus 3x is 5x minus 15, this is equal to 4. This implies, so minus 15 can be transposed to right hand side, therefore we will be getting 5x is equal to 4 plus 15. So 4 plus 15 is nothing but 19. So now we will be getting x is equal to 19 by 5. So let us substitute the value of x in equation number 1. Substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1. That is, in place of x we can write 19 by 5 and y plus y is equal to 5. This implies y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. So the LCM is 5 and 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and here it is minus 19. So we can write y is equal to 25 minus 19 is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. So the solutions for the given pair of linear equations are x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. Now coming to the second bit, which is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. So let this be equation number 1 and the second equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So let this be equation number 2. So first let us solve the given pair of linear equations by elimination method. So now second equation can be written as 2 times of 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. That is, multiply equation number 2 with 2. So this is for left hand side and this is for right hand side. So 2 multiplied by 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 times of 2. This gives 4x minus 2 times of 2y is 4y and 2 times of 2 is 4. Let this be equation number 3. Now adding equation number 1 and 3, we get, this is left hand side, so 3x plus 4y, and the left hand side of third equation is 4x minus 4y. Right hand side of equation number 1 is 10 and right hand side of equation number 3 is 4. So this becomes 10 plus 4. 3x plus 4x is 7x and 4y and minus 4y will be cancelled. So this becomes 7x is equal to 10 plus 4 is 14. That implies x is equal to 14 divided by 7, so which is nothing but 2. We have found the value of x, which is nothing but 2. So the value of x is 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2 in equation number 1 so as to obtain the value of y. That becomes 3 times of x is nothing but 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. So 3 times of 2 is 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. This implies 4y is equal to 10 minus 6. Therefore we get 4y is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4, which is y is equal to 4 divided by 4, that is 1. Therefore we get y is equal to 1. So the given solution for the pair of linear equations is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now let us solve the given pair of linear equations by substitution method. So the second equation can be written as 2x is equal to 2 minus 2, y is transposed to right hand side, we will be getting 2 plus 2y, and x is equal to 2 plus 2y divided by 2. So we can write this as 2 times of 1 plus y, because 2 is taken as common in the numerator, and the denominator is 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled and we'll be getting x is equal to 1 plus y. Now since this is a substitution method, let us substitute x is equal to 1 plus y in equation number 1. So 3 times of, in place of x we can substitute 1 plus y plus 4y is equal to 10. So 3 times of 1 plus y plus 4y is equal to 10. This becomes 3 multiplied 1 by 1 is 3. So 3 plus 3y plus 4y is equal to 10. So 3 is transposed to right hand side, we'll be getting 3y plus 4y is equal to 10 minus 3. So 3y plus 4y is 7y, which is 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. So y can be written as 7 divided by 7, that is 1. So finally we have obtained the value of y to be 1. And now in order to find the value of x, let us substitute y is equal to 1 in any of the two equations, which is 3x plus 4 times of y is nothing but 1 is equal to 10. That implies 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. So transposing 4 to right hand side, will be getting 3x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 3x is equal to 6, which implies x is equal to 6 divided by 3, nothing but 2. Therefore the value of x is found to be 2 and the value of y is found to be 1. That is, the solutions for the given set of linear equations is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 by substitution method. Now coming to the third bit, which is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So first let us rearrange the given equations. That is, after rearrangement the equation becomes 3x minus 5y and minus 4 is transposed to right hand side, we'll be getting it as plus 4, and this equation is rearranged as 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So this be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. First let us solve the given pair of equations by elimination method. So multiply equation 1 with 3, that is 3 times of 3x minus 5y is equal to 3 times of 4. So 3 times of 3x is 9x and 3 times of minus 5y is minus 15y and 3 times of 4 is 12. So 9x minus 15y is equal to 12. So let this equation be number 3. So now adding equation 2 and equation 3, we get 9x minus 2y plus 9x minus 15y is equal to, this is 7 and this is 12. So if we add equation 2 and 3, neither x nor y term is eliminated. So we need to subtract equation 2 from 3, that is 9x minus 2y minus of 9x minus 15y is equal to 7 minus 12. So now we will be getting 9x minus 2y minus of this is minus 9x and minus of minus 15y is plus 15y and 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So this is second equation minus third equation. Now plus 9x and minus 9x will be cancelled, and minus 2y plus 15y is nothing but 13y, which is equal to minus 5. This becomes y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So we have found the value of y to be minus 5 by 13. Now let us substitute y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation number 1, that is 3x minus 5 times of y is nothing but minus 5 by 13. This is equal to 4. Now we'll be getting 3x minus 5 times of minus 5 by 13 is nothing but plus 25 by 13, and this is equal to 4. Now transposing 25 by 13 to right hand side, we'll be getting 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 by 13, that is 3x is equal to, now here the LCM is 13, we'll be getting 4 times of 13 minus 25, and 4 times of 13 is nothing but 52. This is minus 25 divided by 13. 52 minus 25 is nothing but 27, and this is divided by 13. Now we got 3x is equal to 27 divided by 13. So x is equal to 27 by 3 times of 13. 3 goes in 27 as 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 by 30. And we have found the value of y to be minus 5 by 13. Therefore the given solutions for the pair of linear equations are x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Now let us solve the given pair of linear equations by substitution method. So the first equation can be written as 3x is equal to 4 minus 5y is transposed to right hand side, we will be getting 4 plus 5y, and x is equal to 4 plus 5y divided by 3. Now substitute the value of x, which is 4 plus 5y divided by 3 in equation number 2. We will be getting 9 times of x is nothing but 4 plus 5y divided by 3, and this is minus 2y, which is equal to 7. Now 3 goes in 9 as 3. So this becomes 3 times of 4 plus 5y minus 2y is equal to 7. So 3 times of 4 is 12, and 3 times of 5y is 15y minus 2y is equal to 7. So 12 is transposed to right hand side, we will be getting 15y minus 2y is equal to 7 minus 12. So 15y minus 2y is nothing but 13y, and 7 minus 12 is nothing but minus 5. That implies y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So we have obtained the value of y as minus 5 by 13. Now let us substitute y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation number 1 so as to obtain the value of x, that is 3x minus 5y is nothing but 5 times of minus 5 by 13, which is equal to 4. So we'll be getting 3x minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 is plus 25 divided by 13, which is equal to 4. So 3x is equal to, so 25 by 13 is transposed to right hand side, we'll be getting 4 minus 25 by 13. Now taking the LCM, which is 13, so 4 multiplied by 13 is 52, and here we have minus 25. So 52 minus 25 is nothing but 27 divided by 13. So we obtained 3x is 27 divided by 13. That implies x is equal to 27 divided by 13 multiplied by 3. 3 goes in 27 as 9. So we got x is equal to 9 by 13. Finally, the required solutions for the given pair of linear equations are x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Coming to the second problem, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. The first bit given is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is that fraction? So let us see the solution for this problem. In this problem, we are required to find a fraction which is subject to certain conditions. So let us assume the fraction to be, let the fraction be x by y. Here x is the numerator and y is the denominator. So let us first see the first condition, that is when 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. Our assumption of the fraction is x by y. So when we add 1 to the numerator, it becomes x plus 1, and when we subtract 1 from the denominator, it becomes 1 y minus 1. So this is equal to 1 according to the given problem. By cross multiplication, we get x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. On rearranging the terms of this, we get x minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1, which is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Name this equation as equation number 1. Now, by the second condition, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So the numerator remains as x and 1 is added to the denominator, which becomes y plus 1. So this is equal to 1 by 2. On cross multiplication, we get 2x is equal to y plus 1. So on rearranging the terms, we get 2x minus y is equal to 1. So name this as equation number 2. So we have to use the elimination method in order to find the solution for the equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 minus 2 gives x minus y minus 2x minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 1. We'll be getting x minus y minus 2x plus y is equal to minus 3. Now minus y and plus y will be cancelled. X minus 2x is nothing but minus x. This is equal to minus 3. So finally we'll be getting the value of x as 3. So let us substitute x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. Substitute x is equal to 3 in first equation. X minus y is equal to minus 2 implies, in place of x we can put 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. So minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 5. That implies y is equal to 5. So we obtained the value of x as 3 and the value of y as 5. We have assumed the fraction to be x by y. So in place of x we can write 3 and in place of y we can write 5. Hence the required fraction is 3 by 5. Coming to the second bit, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So let us see the solution of this problem. So let the age of Nuri be X and age of Sonu be Y. According to the given problem, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. That is, X minus 5 is equal to thrice as old as Sonu. This gives 3 times of the age of Sonu is Y minus 5. This equation can be written as X minus 5 is equal to 3Y minus 15. X minus 3Y is equal to minus 15 plus 5, which gives X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. Name this as equation number 1. Now using the second condition, 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. X plus 10. Since we are talking about 10 years later, so this becomes X plus 10 is equal to 2 times of age of Sonu, 2 times of Y plus 10. So by second condition, we can write X plus 10 is equal to 2 times of Y plus 10. This equation can be rewritten as X plus 10 is equal to 2Y plus 20 and X minus 2Y is equal to 20 minus 10. That implies X minus 2Y is equal to 10. Name this as equation number 2. So we have to find the value of X and Y by elimination method. So equation 1 minus 2 gives X minus 3Y minus of X minus 2Y is equal to minus 10 minus 10. That gives X minus 3Y minus X minus of minus 2Y is plus 2Y, minus 10 and minus 10 gives minus 20. Plus X and minus X will be cancelled. Minus 3Y plus 2Y is equal to minus Y, which is minus 20. So we will be getting the value of Y as 20. Now let us substitute the value of Y in any of these equations. Let us substitute this in equation number 1. X minus 3 times of Y is nothing but 20 will be equal to minus 10. X minus 3 times of 20 is 60 is equal to minus 10. So X is equal to minus 10 plus 60. That implies X is equal to 50. So we have obtained the value of X to be 50. Therefore, the age of Nuri is equal to 50 years and age of Sonu is equal to 20 years. Coming to the third bit, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So let us see the solution. The given number is a 2-digit number. So it must have a units place and tens place. So let the units place digit be X and tens place digit be Y. Now the number would become 10Y plus X. Number is equal to 10Y plus X. On reversing the order of the digit, number becomes, so reversed number is equal to 10x plus y. Two conditions are given in the problem. One of them is sum of the digits is 9. That is x plus y is equal to 9. Name this as equation number 1. And the second condition is 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So 9 times of the number, which is 10y plus x, is equal to twice of reversed number, which is 10x plus y. So 9 times of 10y is 90y plus 9x is equal to 2 times of 10x is 20x plus 2y. So on rearranging the terms, we get 20x minus 9x plus 2y minus 90y is equal to 0. 20x minus 9x is 11x. 2y minus 90y is minus 88y is equal to 0. Now we can take 11 as a common. X minus 8y is equal to 0. This implies x minus 8y is equal to 0 is the second equation. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 9. So in order to obtain the value of x and y by elimination method, we need to subtract equations 1 and 2. So first equation minus second equation implies x plus y minus of x minus 8y is equal to 9 minus 0. This implies x plus y minus x minus of minus 8y is plus 8y. 9 minus 0 becomes 9. Plus x and minus x would be cancelled. Y plus 8y is 9y is equal to 9. So y will become 1. So the value of y is found to be 1. In order to obtain the value of x, let us substitute the value of y in equation 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 9, which implies x is equal to 9 minus 1. That gives the value of x as 8. So the number is equal to, we have assumed it to be 10y plus x, and the values of x and y are known to us, which are 10 times of 1 plus 8, which is 10 plus 8, nothing but 18. So finally we have obtained the number to be 18. So the required number to us is 18. Coming to the fourth bit, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. So let us see the solution. Now assume number of 50 rupees notes is equal to x and number of 100 rupees notes is equal to y. According to the given problem, total number of notes is equal to 25. That is, x plus y is equal to 25. Name this as equation number 1. And the other condition is, Meena asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only to withdraw rupees 2000. So we can write 50 times of x plus 100 times of y is equal to 2000. So this is equation number 2. We have to solve both the equations by elimination method. So let us multiply equation 1 with 50. Now we will be getting 50 times of x plus y is equal to 50 times of 25, which implies 50x plus 50y is equal to 50 times of 25 is nothing but 1250. So assume this as equation number 3. Now equation number 2 minus equation number 3 gives 50x plus 100y minus 50x minus 50y is equal to 2000 minus 1250. Now 50x and minus 50x will be cancelled. 100y minus 50y is nothing but 50y, and 2000 minus 1250 is nothing but 750. So the value of y is equal to 750 divided by 50. So 50 goes in 750 as 15. So the value of y is 15. In order to obtain the value of x, let us substitute the value of y in equation number 1, which is x plus y is equal to 25. That implies x plus, in place of y, let us write 15 is equal to 25. So x is equal to 25 minus 15, which is nothing but 10. Therefore, we got the value of x as 10. X is nothing but the number of rupees 50 notes. So number of 50 rupees notes is equal to 10, and the number of 100 rupees notes is equal to y, which is nothing but 15. Now moving on to the fifth bit. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Saritha paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days, while Susy paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Let us see the solution of this problem. Let us assume the fixed charge to be x rupees. So fixed charge is equal to rupees x, and charge for each extra day is equal to rupees y. Charge for extra day is equal to rupees y. According to the given problem, fixed charge is for first 3 days and an additional charge is for the next day thereafter. Saritha paid 27 rupees for the book kept for 7 days. So for first 3 days, there will be fixed charge, and for next 4 days, the charge is charge for extra day, that is y rupees. So this is x rupees. So this equation becomes x plus 4y is equal to 27. This is equation number 1. Now using the second condition, for first 3 days, there will be rupees x of fixed charge for Susy, and for next 2 days, there will be an extra charge for each day, which is nothing but rupees y for each day. So this equation becomes x plus 2 times of y. This is because the extra days are 2, and for each day the additional charge will be y. So this becomes 2y is equal to amount she paid is 21 rupees. So this is equal to 21. Name this as equation number 2. We are required to find the values of x and y by solving these pair of linear equations by elimination method. So equation 1 minus 2 implies x plus 4y minus of x plus 2y is equal to 27 minus 21. That is x plus 4y minus x minus 2y is equal to 27 minus 21 is nothing but 6. Plus x and minus x will be cancelled. 4y minus 2y is nothing but 2y. This is equal to 6, which implies y is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So we got the value of y as 3. Now, in order to obtain the value of x, let us substitute the value of y in equation 1. X plus 4 times of y is nothing but 4 times of 3 is equal to 27, which implies x plus 12 is equal to 27. That gives x is equal to 27 minus 12, which is x is equal to 15. So the value of x is to be 15. X is nothing but the fixed charge and y is nothing but the charge for each extra day. Therefore, the fixed charge is equal to rupees 15 and charge for each extra day is equal to 3 rupees.